Amazing, as you saw. I think that was the best menu we've had. Michaela, you agree?
Yeah. That's probably the.
If you're wondering why
I ate most food because it was so good.
Yeah, if you're wondering why I filmed 2 desserts, it's because my mum didn't eat hers and my sister and I shared the macarons. Oh, they were so amazing, so worth it. Probably could have eaten them on their own. Now we're just going to deck 11 because apparently there's something Star Warsy happening. I don't know where. Oh, look at this. If you look down between the crack, you can see. It's a bit scary actually. Oh, and you look up. Never done that before. So yeah, go and check out a Star Wars show up on deck 11. Then gonna go watch The Force Awakens. Yay!
Je pense que c'est moi, j'ai dit que tu venais, hein, mais à cause que j'ai gossé, ouais. Oui, t'entendais pas? Ouais, c'est ça. Tu vas avoir l'air en maudit. C'est un épée, Joe? Ouais, mais ça. Ça mal en
You know what I think we need? A good old-fashioned family sing-along. What do you think?
In a galaxy far away, Naboo was under attack.
Is this canon anymore? Do we have to change the word? Where's Pablo?
Hi, JJ Abrams here. On behalf of the entire cast and crew of Star Wars Episode 7, thank you for your generous contribution to UNICEF Innovation Labs and programs through Star Wars Force for Change. Because of your incredible support and a $1 million contribution from Disney to launch the campaign, we raised an additional $4.26 million that will now directly benefit UNICEF's innovative life-saving programs that support children across the globe. This means thousands of children around the world will benefit from UNICEF's pioneering efforts to increase access to education, health resources, and improve communications during emergencies for those who need it most. May the Force be with you.
Directed the last movie.
I'm Max and I'm your host. But more importantly, I'm a huge Star Wars fan just like you. Now I've seen you all around today. Jedi, Sith, Jawas, even saw a Mandalorian family of all things. I know what types of fans you guys are. The best fans in the galaxy! Today has been the most exciting Star Wars day at sea. From avoiding stormtroopers on patrol, to the kids earning their lightsaber in the Jedi Temple Trials. And with all the Star Wars adventures in between, it has been truly amazing. And it's not over yet. Can you feel it? The Force. It surrounds us, binds us, bringing us together to celebrate the saga that has taken us on epic adventures to the dark side and the light. Hey, why don't we summon the Force and see what it reveals to us? Who's ready to summon the Force? I said who's ready to summon the Force! Oh, what was that?
Jedi strength flows from the Force.
Master Yoda?
Through the Force, things you will see. Other places, the future, the past, old friends, long gone.
You've taken your first step into a larger world.
But beware of the dark side. Anger, fear, aggression. The dark side of the Force are there. Join me. Together, we can rule the galaxy. You underestimate the power of the dark side. Always two there are. No more, no less. At last we will reveal ourselves to the Jedi. At last we will have revenge.
Always remember, your focus determines your reality.
You will be a Jedi. I promise. I am a Jedi, like my father.
The Force is strong in my family. My father has it. I have it. My sister has it. You have that power too.
There are stories about what happened.
It's true. All of it. The dark side. A Jedi. They're real.
The Force is calling to you. Just that day.
you to get your lightsabers up in the air and get yourselves on your feet as we're turning decks 11 and 12 into an amazing super galactic dance party. Now it's about to pump up the music. All of this brought to you by DJ Elliott.
So if you have a lightsaber, turn it on and put it up so I can see it. Put it up. How many fans of the Galactic Empire do we have tonight? How about any fans of the Rebel Alliance? All right. Keep it up. Maybe switch to your other hand. Whichever arm is the strongest is the one you're going to look for. There we go. Side to side. Lightsaber fist pump. Upper decks, you too.
Thank you. And if you have any requests, shout them out. Sing song. All right, sing song. Here we go. 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 Here we go.
You already know what to do. Shake your left hand. Put the sky like this. Maybe bend at the elbow just a little bit to give yourself some room. And I'm going to honor Darth Vader the way that I like to honor Darth Vader. And that's with this. Here we go. Switch hands. Both at the same time. You got it. Now I want to see your best variation. You do this.
Train going anywhere. I'm gonna stay the night. Doesn't mean without
Rest I see your eyes already know that the wonder you see is not behind you. I
Wait, am I connected again? I'll steal this new
Where are my true Star Wars fans out there? Who's like OG Star Wars fans, like 1977 Star Wars OG? So let's be honest, or I'll stand up here and put it on myself to talk with you. Ready?
Thankfully, my camera died during the dance party and not during the show because I would have died. But I got a little bit of the dance party on my sister's mobile, so if you saw that footage and it was a little bit crappier, that is why. Just got back to the room and look, she made a starfish out of the blanket. And anyway, sorry, it was really noisy in there. So Star Wars Day was amazing, and I'm so thankful and happy that our crews got selected to have it. And the fireworks show was amazing, and the show was amazing, the characters coming out, the dance party was amazing. Thank you DJ Elliot for playing Rey's theme. I freaked out. I thanked him afterwards. I couldn't get it on camera though because obviously it died, but I love Rey's theme. If you haven't heard it, go listen to it. Rey's theme by John Williams. The whole movie score is amazing, so just go do that. And I'm gonna call it a day. Star Wars Day was amazing. So thankful I got to meet R2-D2 and C-3PO because other people didn't. They had to meet Darth Maul, which would have been cool too, but come on, R2-D2 and C-3PO, man, they're the best. So I'm off to bed now, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.